Stop wasting time cutting out subjects and creating paths in Photoshop just to wrap text in InDesign. In this video, I'll show you a much easier way to produce stunning text wraps in InDesign with a built-in AI tool. Subject-aware text wrap instantly detects the subject in your image and wraps text perfectly around it. No other apps, no tedious prep work. Let's jump in and I'll show you how it works. On my screen, I have a magazine spread, and first I'll click on the main image, which is also serving as the background for my layout. I'll go up to File and choose Place, and then click on the main image, pandabear.png, and click Open. With the image placed, this is a good time to visualize how you want the text to be wrapped around the main subject. For example, if I click on the content grabber or donut, I'll use my right arrow key or left arrow key to nudge my subject ever so slightly. Next, I'll open the text wrap panel, which can be accessed by going under Window and then choosing Text Wrap. With the image selected in the text wrap panel, I'll click on this icon here, Wrap Around Object Shape. The text will likely disappear, but don't worry, under the contour options, click the type drop-down and then choose Select Subject. InDesign's AI works its magic and detects the subject in the image, in this case the panda bear. Now I can adjust the offset by increasing the value, and you can see that increases the space between the subject and the text. I think in this case, something like 22 pixels will work just fine. Now, there may be text frames in a layout where you don't want the text wrap to be applied. If I click on my selection tool and click away, let's assume my subheading in this layout was being affected by the text wrap and the text was overset. So while holding Option on a Mac, that's Alt on Windows, double click that text frame. That'll bring up your text frame options. First, I'll ensure that my preview box is checked on, and next I'll click on the Ignore Text Wrap option, and applying this setting will resolve any issues you have with frames where you don't want the text wrap to be applied. You can see that the text wrap in this layout is now complete, and InDesign's AI did all the heavy lifting. No need for alpha channels or Photoshop paths. And that's how you can use subject-aware text wrap in Adobe InDesign to speed up your workflow. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all my latest tutorial content. Want to learn more about Adobe InDesign? Then check out this playlist right above. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.